What's up, YouTube? Another quick video. Black hinged handcuffs, triple hinge. Just got them today. Called the Defender Extreme. $20. They're not bad. Uh, they're okay. Got the key. Now they say these are official police handcuffs. I don't know. The key looks like the official ones. I don't know if you could see that. So I don't know. They got the double lock over here. So you stick that inside, that part inside, and double lock. So yeah, they're okay for $20. You know, made in China, but they're not that comfy. Like they feel really on the edges. I don't know if all handcuffs. This is my first pair of handcuffs. I don't know. I just decided to buy them for $20, but they don't feel comfortable. They're like sharp on the edges, but for $20, whatever. Tie up the girlfriend. Anyway, hope you like the video. Peace.